one thing I'm sure people know about you because after your iconic KKW collection is that you're a beauty girl. I mean, aside from just working in beauty, you love beauty. You mentioned like even,
I do love beauty.
Yeah, sitting at your vanity is like a ritual for you. I sounds like it.
Well, that's how we came up with the KKW collection. I was like, you need to do something for people who look like me. Mm-hmm. And who it's just like easy. Mm-hmm. And she was like, great, how do you do your makeup? And I was like, I'll show you.
Yeah. Because Kim is glam, obviously. Yeah. You know, even though she's wears many different styles, of course, like that's the beauty of her. But you have a different
My
style.
favorite Kim beauty is when she does her own makeup and we just go out to dinner.
Oh, I love that. Yeah. I mean, you've obviously seen it all too. So and she's so good at it. The Kar-Jenners are all very good at makeup.
She underestimates her quality of makeup. Like we went out to dinner one time. I was like, your makeup looks so good. Who did it? She's like, me. I'm like, do that more often.
I know. Kylie's really good at makeup too. She's like a makeup artist basically. Yeah. But yeah, you essentially were saying you're like, but my vibe, which is different. That's the beauty of makeup is that there are different vibes, different looks, different ways to do your makeup. So, you got to do your own. Yeah. That collection
Kim loves when I do a glam look. She loves it.
Ooh.
Like when we did our photo shoot for the collaboration, she was like, okay, here's who we're going to get for hair and here's who we're going to get for makeup. And it was like, and she was like, and here's what we're going to wear. And
oh my God, I love that.
And by the way, I'm like, you just tell me what to do and I will do it.
Yep.
We know that whenever she posts a picture, we're like, you just pick the picture and we know we'll look good. Like we know you've got an eye for this.
She's going,
yeah.
Yeah. No, that was a really cool collection.
It was
really
fun.
Cool that you guys did together, obviously childhood best friends. And the collection was amazing.
It is.
Like, it's so good.
It was. Yeah. I know. People actually will text me or DM me and be like, how do I get more? And I'm like, you don't.
Yeah. You're like,
so sorry.
Sorry, sweetie.
I have a couple palettes left that I'm keeping.
You're hoarding. Yeah. You don't let go of those.
Not to use, just to have them.
Oh, I love that. No, it's really cool. And obviously learning, I learned a lot about you during that time. And obviously like that you're a beauty
I think that was
too.
like my first entry into being public facing.
Yes.
I was very not into being public facing for many, many years. And that was the first time that I was like, oh, I better figure this out.
Yeah. Was that daunting or were you prepared?
No.
I
was not prepared. I was not. I remember calling my brother and being like, I am so anxious. Like this is bigger or more than I could have ever anticipated.
Yeah. Tons of press.
Yeah.
It was a thing because it was a moment. Like, she's doing a collection with her childhood bestie. It was really cool. Yeah. It was like a cool moment, but it was a lot.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, I mean,
we had a good time.
I love it. I again respect because it's a big thing and it's very iconic.
Are you hitting 10?